Anybody? Broken bird here. Anyone know what to do? Huh? Rainbow Rangers. Took you long enough. This bird flew right into my window. I think he's hurt.
Oh, you poor little thing. Come here. Let me check you out. Let's see. Can you flap your wings and jump up and down like this? Chip, 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 chip. See? Now you're dancing. You're going to be rainbow-rific.
I want to keep him. He landed on me, so that means he's mine. It's a rule. Well, it's a highly illogical rule. It's not as if birds regularly land on people. See? This one wants to be mine too. Now I've got 2 birds! This one's got a weird chirp too. What's with all the birds around here? Do they all have broken chirps?
It's not broken, Patty. It's dizzy. It flew into a window.
Which is strange. One bird could be an accident, but there has to be a logical reason 2 birds flew into that window. Anna?
I'll find out. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Oh, I see. They want to get to that bird feeder.
Then these birds are broken. That's not a bird feeder. That's a window. What? You're insulted? It's true! What? Of course. Birds don't understand glass. They see the reflection of that bird feeder and they think it's real.
There's a reflection? Ooh, there is a reflection. And you, girl, are looking pretty splendiferous in it.
We need...
A Rainbow Ranger? What do you want from me this time?
We want you to free that marmoset. No! Daddy, don't let them take Pickles!
They can't, Snoodly Pie. And you know why? Because this campsite is booby-trapped! Strength power! Don't bother. This cage is ultra extra super strong. Cost a fortune. Finally. Come, Princess. Our helicopter awaits.
Pickles, what's wrong?
That's Pickles' family, Patty. They belong together. In the wild. Don't you see?
Do you have a family in the wild too, Snowy? Flitter flower, macro power.
Another Rainbow Ranger? Oh, I should have bought more booby traps.
Patty, this is Snowy. And the minute I get home, I'm letting him go. He should be with his family, not with me.
Just like Pickles should be with his family. I love you, Pickles. Goodbye.
What? You can't let the Rainbow Rangers win!
It's not about that, Daddy. It's about doing the right thing for Pickles. Come on, our copter awaits, remember?
But they... wait...
Great work, Lavender.
And you're really gonna free Snowy?
I really am. But before you go home, I hope you'll help me with one thing. Strength power! Well done, Lavender. You too, Snowy. When troubles come, we're on the way. Rainbow Rangers save the day!